Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I'm Mr. Metcalf and in this video we're going to find the perimeter of polygons. Here are today's get ready questions. Pause the video and have a go. Press play when you are ready to go through the answers together. Let's go through the answers together. For question 1, the perimeter of this equilateral triangle will be 39 meters, as we need to multiply 13 by 3. For question 2, the two possible perimeters are 14 centimeters and 16 centimeters. For question 3, the square would have a perimeter of 40 centimeters, and the triangle would have a perimeter of 36 centimeters, so the square would have the greater perimeter. Let's remind ourselves of the definition of perimeter. And here we have two shapes. The perimeter is the distance around the outside of a two-dimensional shape. So let's think about the perimeter of this triangle. This would still be the same, the distance around the outside of the shape. Here are two more shapes. Calculate the perimeters of these polygons. Pause the video and have a go. Let's go through these together. Let's start with the rectangle. The rectangle has a perimeter of 22 centimeters. Now let's look at the triangle. The triangle has a perimeter of 24 centimeters. Think about how you calculated the perimeters. What is the same and what is different? You may want to talk to a partner about these before moving on. Here we have three more polygons. The side length of each regular polygon is 3 centimeters. What does regular polygon mean? Well, among other things, it means that all the sides are equal. So, let's think about this sentence to help us find the perimeter. To find the perimeter of the shape, I need to, well, I'm going to need to multiply the side length by the number of sides. Let's have a think about this now. Let's start with the triangle. I know that the side length is 3 and there are 3 equal sides. So 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So that must mean the perimeter is 9 centimeters. How about the pentagon? Well, for the pentagon, I would need to multiply 3 by 5. So the perimeter is 15 centimeters. Finally, how about the octagon? I know that I will need to multiply 3 by 8, so the perimeter would be 24 centimeters. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and have a go at questions 1 to 2 on the worksheet. Here we have a slightly different shape. It's made up of regular hexagons. Each regular hexagon has a side length of 2 centimeters. Pause the video and identify the perimeter of the shaded shape. Let's go through this together. First of all, let's count the number of sides on this shape. When I did this, I saw that this shape has 18 sides. I know each side is 2 centimeters long. So to find the perimeter, I need to multiply 18 by 2. So that must mean the perimeter of this shape is 36 centimeters. Let's think about perimeter slightly differently. I know the perimeter of this regular pentagon is 90 centimeters, but we need to work out the length of one of the sides. What do I know? Well, I know the perimeter is 90 centimetres, so the whole would be 90 centimetres. How many sides are there? Well, I can see there are 5 sides. So to work out the length of one of the sides, I will need to divide 90 by 5. This is equal to 18. So each side must be 18 centimetres long. So the length of one of the sides is also 18 centimetres. Mo is measuring 3 of the sides of this regular octagon. The total length of 3 sides is 21 centimetres. So what is the perimeter of this octagon? Pause the video and have a go. Think about how this question links to the previous one. How did you get on? Let's use a bar model again to help us. We know that 3 of the sides are 21 centimetres. So to work out one of the sides, I would need to divide 21 by 3, and this is equal to 7. If one of the sides are 7, that must mean that all of the sides are 7. So to work out the perimeter, I could multiply 7 by 8, which is equal to 56. That must mean the perimeter of this octagon is 56 centimetres. Now it's your turn. Have a go at questions 3 to 5 on the worksheet. Let's finish today's video by looking at this problem. A school stage is made up of 2 parts. The larger part has a perimeter of 24 metres and a length of 8 metres. The smaller part has a perimeter of 16 metres and a length of 4 metres. Tiny says the perimeter of the stage is 40 metres. Explain why Tiny is wrong. Pause the video and have a think. What did you think? Tiny is incorrect because Tiny has added the 2 perimeters together and not thought about the lengths that are not included in this shape. Let's think about this more. Can you pause the video and find the actual perimeter of the stage? Let's go through this together. We can start by trying to find some of the unknown lengths. Let's start with this side. How can I identify the length of this side? Well, I know that 2 of the sides are going to be 8 metres, which will be 16 metres. If I were to subtract this from the perimeter, I would be left with 8 metres. That means the total of 2 of the sides is 8 metres. So let's divide 8 by 2. So this side must be 4 metres long. And I can also work out the length of this side. This would also be 4 metres long. Now let's identify the length of this missing side. Well, I could think about using the vertical sides to help. 8 subtract 4 is equal to 4. So this side must also be 4 metres. What about these 2 sides? Let's have a think about it. Well, I know the perimeter is 16 metres. 2 of the sides would be 4 metres. Let's subtract 8 away from 16. We're now left with 8 metres. I know that 2 of the lengths are 8 metres now, so I need to divide 8 by 2. This would be 4. So both of these sides are 4 metres. Let's work out the perimeter. Well, I can see that there are 6 lots of 4 metres, so this would be 24. Then I can add the 8 metres from this length. This would mean the perimeter of the stage is 32 metres. Now it's your turn. Have a go at the rest of the worksheet.